Many new or inactive businesses go through periods where they earn no revenue. While it may seem unnecessary to file taxes in these situations, most businesses are still required to submit tax returns to remain compliant. Understanding how to file correctly when your business has no income helps you avoid penalties and maintain good standing with the IRS and state authorities. Yes, in most cases, you must still file a tax return, even if your business earned zero income. The IRS requires businesses to file based on their legal structure, not their income level. Filing a zero-income return keeps your business compliant, avoids late filing penalties, and preserves deductions and losses for future years. If you're a sole proprietor, you report business activity on Schedule C of your personal return, which is Form 1040. Now, if there was no revenue and no expenses, you may not need to file Schedule C, but if the business is active or has costs, filing is definitely recommended. You must file Form 1065, even if there was no income. Each partner receives a Schedule K-1, reflecting zero income or losses. Single-member LLCs are taxed as sole proprietorships by default and, well, they follow the same rules as Schedule C filers. S-Corp must file Form 1120-S every year, regardless of income. Failing to file can result in penalties of $220 per shareholder per month. C-Corp must file Form 1120 every year, even if, there was zero revenue. Not filing can actually trigger penalties and some compliance issues. Yes, you can. Legitimate business expenses are still deductible, even if you didn't earn income. Some common deductions include startup costs, legal and filing fees, software subscriptions, marketing costs, and, well, home office expenses. These losses may offset other income or even be carried forward to future tax years. And states often require businesses to file returns annually, regardless of revenue. You may also owe minimum franchise taxes or annual report fees, even if your business is inactive. For example, some states charge annual LLC or corporation fees. Failure to file can result in penalties or administrative dissolution. So, it's really important to stay on top of these requirements, even if your business isn't currently operating. Even if your business didn't bring in any revenue, not filing your taxes can still cause some real headaches. You could face late filing penalties, lose your good standing, increase your risk of an audit, and even run into problems if you try to get financing down the road. Now, there are a few situations where you might not actually need to file. For example, if your business was never legally formed, had no activity, expenses, or even intent to operate, or if you never got an EIN, you may be off the hook. Still, it's always a good idea to check with a tax professional to be sure about whether you need to file. Just to wrap things up, having no revenue doesn't mean you have no tax responsibilities. Filing a proper zero-income return helps protect your business, keeps your records clean, and puts you in a good spot for future growth. Here at SK Tax Associates, we help businesses with zero-income filings, compliance reviews, and long-term tax planning. So give us a call today to make sure your business stays compliant, even during those slower years.